We decided to have a morning coffee.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, kochanie.
Dzień dobry, sayang.
This today is special day, tak? Special holiday in Poland.
Wszystkich świętych. All the saints day.
Talk. That's why it's so busy. Nice coffee shop. And that's the view of the tram, the park. That's my favorite park, Park Sawatchki. This is my daily, walk, and this is also one of my favorite coffee shop here next to the park.
Tak, together with Wujek Sławek. But Wujek Sławek is on holiday now. Okay.
Everybody is on holiday.
That's it.
Oh, little bit windy today, and this is the view during the autumn. It's beautiful. Today is holiday, so shops are closed, everything is closed. Some of the coffee shop or restaurant are open, so I just stroll around to the park. This is my favorite park. Beautiful lake and the ducks. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznań, Poland. Yes, we are at home. And because today is holiday, actually Shishki Swente, the first Listopada, 1st November is actually a very serious and important day in Poland. So we've got a long weekend, but because last week we've been many places and Damian also worked last week. So today, this weekend, Damian and I decided maybe just staying at home because everybody's on holidays, will be traffic jam, and yeah, enjoying Poznań during a holiday. And it's nothing wrong with that, and especially enjoying the Yesian. For me, because this is my first experience autumn in Poland, it's pretty, beautiful. Oh wow, beautiful color, leaves falling. Nice. I keep walking and walking. Look at this beautiful family. Nice. During the 1st of November, mostly what I learned during my class today, police people will go to the cemetery and bringing candles and flowers and put it on the grave, and then after that they will go to the church for praying, and after that they will go meeting with the family and having a really good time with family. So today Damian and I not going to the North Poland because I think that next week or next 2 weeks we will go meeting Mama and Papa. Last weekend we were traveling some countries in the Central Europe, but yeah, today is this weekend we just staying at home, enjoying time mostly at home. And I've got lots of things to do as well at school because last week I was away for a few days. Just like this one, Biedronka closed, so many shops are closed. So peaceful and quiet on the street. So even the Babcha shop is closed, and the shop next door is also closed. That restaurant is closed. Many places are closed. Nie ma sklepów. This is my neighborhood in Jesice actually. It is just simply like almost more than 90% shops are closed, and the road seems like so quiet. I walked through the Slovakia street. I remember that this street normally every day is busy because close by the office building and apartment on the left, on the right side. It's it's quiet, and some of the shops is actually closed. Yeah, I was thinking like to go to another coffee shop, actually just like coffee shop hopping, but unfortunately I didn't find any coffee shops open and restaurant open, so yeah. Yeah, because I remember that this area is so many shops, you know, offices. Normally it's just like busy. That's also offices, and simply it's quieter. I decided to buy a coffee in Zapka then with my biscuit. Smacznego kochanie. Damian just have a break from Uber today and he has a big portion of kebab. I think that only some of the restaurant open, right? Like just like
the
the
foreigners own this or selling it, yeah. Because for Polish people it's big holiday, you know. But I'm Polish and I'm working today as well, so you know, you have to hustle sometimes to achieve something, you know. Stay strong.
Bardzo polecam. Stay strong.
Stay strong. Today's short video, but so enjoyable, isn't it? So cold.
We are home here actually, and yeah, I think that's all our video today from Poznań, and this is our daily life, and then tomorrow will be
another daily life video. That's how the Monkeys YouTube channel was established, and that's how we're gonna keep going.
Tak. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.